cake.
I saw that.
Just a little piece. You want to stand up? It's the only time you'll have to stand on your stairs.
So we can see her.
Oh, it's happy birthday time.
Happy birthday, Tom.
Wow.
Who's that? Ernie?
Who is that?
Who is that?
How old are you? Are you 2? Look, what does this say? A. What's that say? B. C. What's that? 1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Samantha. Happy birthday to you.
Debbie's head's in the way.
Yay! Say happy birthday.
And he's like, what is that? Are you blowing your candle?
Cheese!
Samantha.
Blow out the candles.
Help mommy. You do
Blow
it.
it.
No.
You do it. Come on, help mommy.
You do it.
You do it?
Can you do it, Samantha? Can you do it?
Samantha, go. Come on. You gotta practice.
Blow the
You
candle.
do it.
Ready?
Come on,
1,
Daddy.
2,
1, 2,
3.
3.
Just like that. You do it.
That was open.
You do it.
Right on cue. 1,
1,
2,
2,
3.
Blow on it.
Aww.
Blow on it. You know, like you blow on your
Dan, can you get a
Yeah,
picture?
It's too hot.
I can't get
Blow
over
on
there
it.
to get all of them.
Come on. Come on. It's too hot. No. Blow on it. You gotta blow on it.
So cute.
Help mommy.
I don't know.
No, Alan, back up.
Come on.
Now, Alan, blow that one out.
Here, watch.
That's it.
Say,
No more.
good job, Alan.
Now
Okay,
you
now,
do it.
now this one's Samantha's to blow out. You do it. Come on. No, Samantha
I
blow.
want
Samantha blow. So we can have cake.
She's like,
Good girl. Ready?
Good
Help
man.
mommy. Ready?
One,
Look at Grandpa.
2.
get close.
Help
1,
mommy.
Oh, who's got
2,
fingers?
1, 2, 3.
3.
No.
Blow. Come on.
Come on. Okay. Oh no. Lick it. Lick your fingers. You already stuck your fingers in it once.
Okay. Blow them
Okay.
out.
Help mommy, daddy.
You're gonna burn the house down.
Okay, this is a party going bad. I said
One,
we got cake.
2, 3.
Yay!
Yay! What's that? Smoke? Say smoke.